Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can download videos from Telegram application very easily. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your friends your comments. And let's get started. Please open the Telegram app on your device. Then first, I recommend you to check if you have all the necessary options set up to download videos to Telegram. To do this, click on Settings at the bottom right, after which you will need to scroll a bit, select Data and Storage. After that, you will need to select both options. The first one is downloading over mobile network and over Wi-Fi. Here you can customize the size of the files you would like to download. That is, whether they will be smaller in size or larger, you can customize. You can also customize what exactly you want to download. And let's say if it's a video, click on Video. And here you can choose where you would like to download certain videos from. For example, from certain contacts, or from certain group chats and channels, or private chats. And you customize where exactly you would like to receive those videos from and be able to download them and go back. Same thing you can do with the mobile data option. You can also customize the size. When you go to video, you can customize a certain type of chat and then go back. Please go back to chats. Go to the chats that you want. And when you see the video you'd like to download, you have two options. The first is to click on the video itself, and here you can at the top, on the right side, click on the three dots and then select Download Video. And as you can see, instantly such a video will be downloaded to your gallery, but only with the precondition that such a video it is already fully downloaded in Telegram itself. Or you can download such videos without opening them. Also, if there are three dots near the video at the top right, click on them and choose Download Video. After that, you can go to the gallery and make sure that such a video has been downloaded. With this quick and easy method, friends, you can easily download videos from Telegram. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.